Namaste. Welcome back to our very interesting program, Career Talks. And I have present here again today a very incredible person, Sensei Yokota. Konnichiwa, Sensei Yokota.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. And since we met yesterday and a hugely popular video, we are back again on special demand. So are you planning to visit Japan soon? Or do you really want to start speaking Japanese right away? So with Yokota Sensei is here and he will tell you few phrases and words in Japanese which you can practice to learn the nuances of the language. So welcome you again, sir.
Arigato.
So, arigato. So when we start speaking in Japanese, so can you tell us a few words which will be helpful to the audience? Like the first thing is greeting. We meet someone and we greet them. So a good morning would be
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Ohayo gozaimasu. So that is good morning. I would request our audience to repeat it after him, and after we say it, repeat it over and over again so that you become acquainted with the language. So once again for you all, good morning is
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Ohayo gozaimasu. Was it correct, sir?
Yes, perfect.
Oh, okay, thank you. The second after good morning would be good afternoon.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. So good afternoon is konnichiwa. And good evening,
Konbanwa.
konbawa. So we have for you the three terms for greeting someone: a good morning, a good afternoon, and a good evening. So if we are going to Japan for the first time, then we can ask a few things like we meet someone and we can say, how are you? So how will we say how are you?
Genki desu ka?
Genki desu ka. How are you is Genki desu ka. So in Japan, if you meet someone for the first time and you want to say how are you, it would be Genki desu ka. So what would be the next thing you feel we should be asking? How are you, and maybe what's your name?
Anata no namae wa nan desu ka?
Anata yo
Namae wa
namae wa
nan desu ka?
nan desu ka. So that is for asking somebody's name. What's your name?
Yes.
And if I have to introduce myself, I have to say I am Kritika, or my name is Kritika. So what is going to be the way to say that?
Watashi no namae wa Kritika desu.
So if I have to say I am Kritika, it will be
Watashi no
Watashi no
namae wa
namae wa
Kritika desu.
Kritika this.
Des.
Okay, this would be, this
Is.
is. Okay, so that is my name is. And what's your name?
Anata no
Anata no
namae wa
namae wa
nan desu ka?
nan desu ka. Okay, that is for asking somebody's name. Now the four golden words which we say: thank you, please, sorry, and excuse me. What would be the translation in Japanese for that? So thank you would be
Arigato.
arigato. So when we have to thank someone in Japan, we can say arigato. So I see there is a particular way and a body language of saying these words. Like in India, when we are greeting someone elder to us or we are greeting someone, we join our hands, we fold our hands and we say thank you. So is there a particular body language in Japan that we have to follow while saying these words like arigato or like sorry? Sorry would be
Sumimasen.
sumimasen. So is there a way of saying it? A body language?
Yes, it will be polite to bow.
Polite and bow.
Yes.
Just like in India, when we are greeting someone, even if we have to say sorry, we sometimes fold our hands and we say sorry. So in Japan also, we bow down in front of someone when we are wishing them or we are saying sorry.
Yes.
So thank you is arigato and sorry is
Sumimasen.
sumimasen. And you're welcome.
Do itashimashite.
Do itai
Itashimashite.
itaishimashite. What about yokoso is also, I think, for welcome.
Yokoso is welcome. That's
Welcome.
right. Yes, yes.
Okay. So these are few words, and like in English we say excuse me if we want to, or I beg your pardon if we have to call someone or we did not understand what they are saying. So for that, excuse me would be
Also, すみません.
sumimasen. That
I'm
is
sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Yes,
Or I don't understand.
はい。
What would that be? I don't understand.
私は日本語わかりません.
Okay. That is for I don't understand. Okay.
Japanese.
And do you speak English? If I have to ask someone, do you speak English? So that would be
あなたは英語話せますか?
okay. Can you repeat it once again?
Maybe easier than
Yeah, okay.
easy. Okay.
Is there an easier way of
Easier
saying
way.
it?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. 英語話せますか? 英語話せますか?
Okay.
Can you speak English like this?
Yes. Can you speak English?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Now, if we have to ask somebody for the time, what time is it? Because that is required very frequently. So, what time is it?
はい。今何時ですか?
Ima nandi desu ka?
今何時ですか?
Ima nandi desu ka?
はい。
Okay, that is what is the time.
Yes. What time is it
And
now?
suppose if I have to ask, if I need a restaurant, I want to eat food and I want to go to a restaurant. So how will I ask? Is there a restaurant nearby? Or if I have to buy something, then how will I ask? Is there a shop nearby? Where is a restaurant?
Yes.
So for that it will be
はい。レストランはどこですか? レストランはどこですか?
it's very expensive. That's for that Japanese would be
これは高いです。これは高いです。
okay. So that's really interesting, and I think it's incredible language. I'm sure the audience is loving to listen to the new words, and so thankful to Yokota Sensei, he's here. So finally, a few more words from him till we meet the next time. Like we have to say a goodbye or a farewell or see you soon.
See you soon.
When we are saying somebody farewell. So is it sayonara or there are some other words?
Yes. さよなら is goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay.
And see you later is またね。
Matane.
ま
So
たね。
is it same for people our age or for somebody older to us? We say the same thing? Or for maybe younger children we say something else, or people older we say something else, or it's the same?
Actually, it's not the same.
It's not the
Different.
same.
Yes.
Okay, so what would be for people maybe our colleagues or people our age, we want to say them goodbye, what would that be?
Goodbye. Sayonara is okay.
Sayonara.
Yeah, sayonara.
Okay. Sayonara.
Goodbye.
I think
Goodbye.
that's
Sayonara.
easy for us to understand. If you're heading towards Japan or just for fun, if these were the few words, practice them, listening to them again and again. I enjoyed it. I'm sure you all enjoyed. So again, arigato, Sensei Yokota. It's so nice you're here, and I'm sure again you can join us someday and we can have a few more words and phrases from you. Till then, keep watching. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.